Hello students, welcome to English literature class. Some of you had asked me the pattern to write internal assessment on English language and literature, both class 9 and 10. So today I am giving you, carefully notice this and prepare your content. First, you have to take this file according to your house color. Green house means green, red house red. These all keep it later when the lockdown opens. That time you can buy. Don't worry for that. No need to go out. So now see first page. Like this you can make a spiral binding or you can make a just file staple it. Okay. Or the stick. Anything. Don't worry for that. Now it is not necessary. Later period when school reopens that you can buy and do it. Next page comes front page. All your details must be there. Please notice it carefully. You should write internal assessment, not project report. Okay, it is not project, internal assessments. All spelling should be correct. Not a single one should be wrong. Clearly notice this. If it is grammar or the essay, then an internal assessment on English language in partial fulfillment of the requirement of the Indian Certificate of Secondary Education. Here it will come 2020 to 2021. You must write. Then topic number 1. 2 topics you have to choose. Topic number 1, whatever you have chosen should write. This page should be printed out very neatly done. Topic 2 also should be written in all capital letters without any spelling mistake. Next line comes under the able guidance of particular teacher. Leave this name. Whoever will be taking your class, English language class, you should put the name there. Then comes submitted by. Submitted by you, then your name, class, section, roll number. Okay. DePaul School, Berhampur, Ganjam, Odisha. This first print neatly should be printed. Leave it this. Then comes next page. All this record. Okay. The science record papers you have to write. Not in any other paper. Science record, one side plain, one side rule. So next page come declaration. Just see that I am doing the video. If you are able to see that, do it. Otherwise, in the school, I can give you again. So this is the things. Declaration, second page. Highlight this, bold letters write. Next page comes acknowledgement. These are the content you should write. Okay. I think it is visible properly. Then comes what is an internal assessment. These are the content has to be written. If you are not getting it, I will give you later. These things you can keep it, only content you write. Next comes content topic. Whatever topic written, page numbers. Then comes the topic. So here you, whatever topics you are choosing, highlight that and appropriate pictures in the blank space this side, left hand side must put, not anything. Whatever the topic given, accordingly. Whatever writing, accordingly, pictures has to be put for much good impression and for fetching good marks. Like this simple. First lesson, content, 750 words you must write each essay. Each essay should contain 750. So 2 essays, 750, 750, 1500 words. Okay, these are the way you should write. So first, all these record papers. I think it is understood for both class 9 and 10. So next I will come to English literature. Same, everything same. Okay, but always see this house-wise file. Internal assessment on English. This you must write. People used to make literature language, language literature. Don't do that. English 2 means literature. Then same thing, same content. First topic name, title, second topic name, then the teacher's name, then your name, class, section, Berhampur, DePaul School, Berhampur. First page same printed one, nicely should be put. Then same content, only literature must put in place of language. Same acknowledgement, same what is internal assessment. Okay. If you are not getting it, this can be given later. But if you are able to see that, write it, complete it. Then comes, this is important. When English literature topics are given, first you will start with life of William Shakespeare. His photo you can put it in there, here appropriate photo. Not much should be written, just summary, 1 page is enough. Then a short story of Merchant of Venice should be written within 2 pages. You are in the book you have, in the textbook front pages you have short story, not entirely. Then come to your topic. The two topics, accordingly whatever character comes, that side photo. Appropriate, and here and there you don't put it. Okay, two topics like that you must write. Finish. That's all for internal assessment on English language and literature. This type of files you can make it according to your house color. Okay, but neat handwriting you must write, otherwise again it will be returned to you to do the work. So don't compel to do so. In the neat handwriting must write. See declaration, all the content you will be able to see that. Write down in this science record pages. And your own handwriting should write, not printed. Only first page should be printed and all detailed information. Okay, I think I understood. It's clear. If anything lacking, you must let me know through the suggestion box. Thank you.